Hey guys, what's up? This is Cullen with Tesla's Wild. I hope you all are having a fantastic evening. I just want to let you guys know that I am going on a business trip down to Texas, so I won't be able to shoot much new content for a few days here. I do have a few new videos that I'm working on, but I also thought it would be pretty cool to do a what do you do with your Tesla/EV at an airport video. I did look it up, and it looks like DIA does have 36 electric charger stalls, EV stalls in their east and west garages. I'm not sure what they look like. I don't know if you can park there for multiple days or if it's just kind of while you're waiting to pick people up or drop people off. I'm not really sure. So we're going to look into those. I'll let you know what I find out. We are almost to the airport, so I'll let you know when we get there. But it would be great if I would be able to park in a nice special EV spot and plug in and have a fully charged car when I get back. I will let you know. We'll see you shortly. Alright, so I am flying Spirit, which is on the east terminal. The west terminal garage has about 26 EV stalls, which is pretty dope. The east side seems to have only around 10. That does add up to their 36, so it makes sense. Not really sure where I should park. I don't really mind walking, but I think we're going to check out the west side and see what we can find. I feel like we'll just have a better shot of finding some open stalls there. I will let you know shortly. Alright, so we have found the EV chargers. We are in row E of the west side of the garage. There was only one open spot, so I think we got pretty lucky. We're going to check out what it looks like. As we can see, it is like basically all Teslas here. I am actually really liking that gold. What do you guys think? Alright, so not really sure how long you can stay at these stalls. It doesn't say anything about it. Connected. Towaway zone. Does look like you can stay here as long as you'd like. Ooh, I do like those black wheels on that Model 3. So both of these just say connected, so it seems like they've been charging here for a while. I might actually pull over into this other spot here. Now that we've moved to a better spot, let's check this one out. It does look like it is the J1772 charger style, so we just are going to need to use the adapter. Okay, looks good. Connected, charging, 7 hours and 10 minutes. Huh, interesting. All right, so we're getting 14 amps, pretty slow chargers, but that's okay. It's gonna be here for a while. So yeah, as you can see, there are a bunch. This is a level 2 charger. They did say they have some level 1 chargers, but I don't need that. I'm gonna be here for a while. I'm not seeing any sort of time limits or anything like that. Looking pretty good. I do like that white, that's for sure. I wonder why that Tesla didn't park in one of these. All right, well, there you go. It's as easy as that. Looks like I will be able to be plugged in while I am here, which will make life much, much easier. Alright guys, I know it's probably dark in here and I apologize for that, but I did just want to make this a quick video. If you are at DIA, I'm sure other airports are very, very similar. If you do own an EV and you are parking at an airport for a few days, it seems like a lot of them do have these chargers available. I've seen absolutely no limits on how long you can park here, and the only requirement is that you are an EV. It seems like it's free. You do still have to pay the garage fee for whatever that is for parking in here, but it's well worth it to come back to a fully charged vehicle. There is a supercharger in the area, but it's just another stop along the way. There you have it. There are EV stalls available, at least at DIA. I assume it's a pretty common thing across all airports, honestly. I'm pretty stoked that I'll be able to be plugged in all weekend and we'll come back to a fully charged vehicle. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. It does truly mean the world. I know I say that all the time, but it really does mean a lot. That I have so much free time on my hands these days now that I'm single, and these are just things that I really enjoy doing, putting these videos out and spreading information about Tesla and EVs. With that, I hope you all have a great evening and a great few days here. I'll upload a couple POV install videos that I have coming up here. We will see you next video. Goodbye, Nico. We are gonna turn on Sentry mode, because why not? Security looks easy. We have made it to Dallas past midnight. We made it to the hotel. Shoots in 4K. Yeah.
There's another tourist site.
Wow.
There's a few of them that they said if you wanted to. Oh.
Yeah.
Your oldest sister just found out.
cities ever. We made it back to Denver. Year 1. I think we were in like E or F or G or one of them. Don't worry, we're gonna find him soon. I see Teslas. Look at all of them. Model S, Model 3, another Model 3, Volkswagen, another Model S, Model S. There you are, Nico. How are you? How was your weekend? You doing okay? Unlock the charge port. Pop this guy out. Look at that. 10 out of 10 would recommend parking in this area. Porsche Panamera, freaking i8. This is such a cool area to park. Colorado's electric game is on point. That gold though. Insert ticket.
Processing fee $75. Remove credit card. Processing. Thank you. Press button for receipt.
Good enough.